Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to receive crypto to your Coinbase account, to your wallet on Coinbase from an external crypto wallet. So for this example, I'm going to be sending some Bitcoin from Cash App over to Coinbase, but this will be a relatively similar process no matter what crypto that you're sending or which wallet it's coming from, whatever app that you happen to be using. But the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to open up Coinbase. And from the homepage of Coinbase, you want to find your crypto area and your crypto balance. So we're going to click on where it says crypto, and it will list the cryptocurrencies that you have in your Coinbase account. So for this example, like I said, I'm going to be receiving Bitcoin to my Coinbase Bitcoin wallet. So I need to copy down that information to do this. So I'm going to open up where it says Bitcoin. And then from the Bitcoin page towards the bottom, you'll find where it says transfer, and we're going to click on that. And this is going to be receiving crypto from another crypto wallet. So we're going to click on that. That takes us over to the next page, and for Bitcoin, you can just copy down your Bitcoin wallet address, send it that way. I don't recommend this if you have the option to send over the Lightning Network, because the Lightning Network is going to be a lot faster, and it's going to be almost nothing in terms of fees, whereas just the traditional Bitcoin wallet method, it's going to be a lot slower, and the fees are going to be much higher. In whichever crypto that you're going to be sending over to Coinbase, you're going to need to grab that particular crypto's wallet address, copy it down. So I'm going to open up the Lightning Network option here. And then it's giving a quick explanation as to what the Lightning Network is, so you can read over that if you want, but continuing to move on. And for the Lightning Network, we're going to enter in exactly how much US dollars worth of Bitcoin that's going to be sent. So for this example, I'm going to do 10 US dollars of Bitcoin, and then I'm going to create the invoice. This is going to generate a QR code, and from the sending wallet, if you have the option to scan a QR code, you can do that. Otherwise, you can simply copy down this Lightning invoice by clicking the copy option. Now, specifically with the Lightning Network, you need to enter in an amount for this invoice, but that's not going to be the case most of the time. Any crypto that the sender is going to be sending over to your Coinbase account, they can select how much they want to send, whereas the Lightning Network is a little bit different, where you're creating this invoice for a particular amount. Now heading over to Cash App and opening up my menu to access my Bitcoin. And then from my Bitcoin page towards the bottom, I'm going to click the transfer option, and this is going to be sending Bitcoin. And like I was saying earlier, if you have the option to scan a QR code to the receiver, you can do that. And I'm going to enter in that amount of 10 Bitcoin to send. But really what we're looking to do is to paste in that address to the to area that you had copied down from Coinbase. So then we're going to confirm that wallet address there. And then I'm going to click next. And you can double check over the information going down towards the bottom of the page. We can see, because we're using the Lightning Network, that the fee is free in this instance. I can see the total, and I'm going to click pay this Bitcoin. And since it's the Lightning Network, it's going to be a pretty quick process sending this Bitcoin over. So it says that my payment of Bitcoin is currently pending. But now I'm going to head back over to Coinbase. And within just a handful of seconds of heading over to Coinbase, I can see that this Lightning Network Bitcoin payment has already showed up in my balance. And if I continue to scroll down, I can see that transaction right here. And that's going to wrap up this video. So this is generally the process of receiving crypto over in Coinbase. And it doesn't have to just be with Bitcoin. It can be any different cryptocurrency that you have. You just need to grab the wallet address in your Coinbase account, and then wherever it's being sent from, paste in that wallet address, enter in how much you'd like to send it over. And depending on the cryptocurrency and how fast they do transactions, it could be a quick process like it is with the Bitcoin Lightning Network, or it might take a little bit of time, but this is the process that you need to go through to receive cryptocurrency in Coinbase. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.